Welcome to another video, guys. Today I'll be installing some Hello horns, well, knockoff versions, eBay ones, but they do the same job, look nice themselves. Fairly simple. All you have to do is just remove your old horns, which I previously sprayed red, but they weren't too bad. There's two 12mm, one there, and then obviously you got your connectors at the bottom. They just simply disconnect, just like so. I did remove two bolts for my grill to make it a bit more easier to maneuver a bit, because I didn't want to take the full bumper off. You can do, but I just feel it might be a bit too much effort. Right, and there you have the comparison. New versus old. As you can see, there's a massive size difference, and it will be much louder. I believe, what is it? 430 Hertz. But I'm not really doing it for the sound, I'm just more for the looks. A lot more aggressive on the front, so we'll try and get those mounted. It looks like it has the same mounting points, so hopefully that'll fit on quite nicely. Alright, I've already done one, fairly simple. Looks alright, you know. Very aggressive. But essentially what you do, I've just used the previous stock wiring, connected onto one of the terminals, and the other terminal I've wired parallel to the other horn for the ground, which I will either ground here or here, so that's pretty much it, and I'll show you the finishing product. Alright, all set up. Look pretty nice, very mean. Suit the car, definitely. Just stands out a bit more. It is very loud. However, I hardly ever use a horn, so not a problem for me. I will give you a test demo of how loud they are, just not in my area, when I'm probably driving, which will pop up soon. Anyway guys, thanks for watching again, and make sure to like and subscribe to keep posted on future projects that's coming up. Peace.